In this video, I'll be comparing Replit versus V0 versus Cursor. So I'll go over what all of these tools do, who they are for, and ultimately which one I would pick. So first, let's go over their core concepts, starting with Replit. So Replit is an all-in-one cloud-based integrated development environment that allows users to write, run, and deploy code in numerous programming languages directly in the browser. It aims to be a universal coding playground, collaboration hub, and a platform for general AI assistant development. Then V0, which is by Versal, is an AI-powered design and code generation tool focused specifically on creating user interface components and entire web pages, primarily for React and Tailwind CSS. It transforms natural language prompts and even Figma designs or screenshots into production-ready front-end code. It's a specialized tool within the Versal ecosystem designed to accelerate front-end development and bridge the gap between design and code. Then finally we have Cursor, which is an AI-first code editor built on the foundation of Visual Studio Code, and its core concept is to deeply integrate AI capabilities like code completion, generation, refactoring, and code-base-aware chat directly into the developer's local coding workflow, aiming to enhance productivity and make complex coding tasks more intuitive. So the target audiences include for Replit students and beginners, hobbyists and solo developers, teams and educators, and also general developers, as a convenient cloud-based environment for quick tests and small to medium-sized applications. Then V0 by Versal is, in my opinion, best for front-end developers, designers who want to translate their designs into working code quickly, full-stack developers who need to quickly scaffold the front end of their applications, and product managers and marketers for generating quick landing pages or prototypes without deep coding knowledge. Then we have Cursor, which in my opinion is best for professional developers who are already familiar with VS Code and are looking to supercharge their coding workflow with advanced AI assistants, also experienced AI coding tool users, and developers working on complex code bases. Now, in terms of their strengths and weaknesses, Replit's strengths include extreme accessibility because of its zero setup, works in any browser, and great for beginners and learning, its exceptional real-time collaboration, the all-in-one ecosystem, the versatility since it supports a vast array of languages and project types, and the integrated database. Now, the limitations or weaknesses for Replit are the AI generality. So while general AI assistance is strong, it's not specialized for specific tasks like UI design or deep code-based understanding as much as V0 or Cursor. Also, the production scalability and AI memory issues are other limitations on Replit. Now, V0's strengths include rapid UI generation, easy design to code, for example from Figma or screenshots, high quality front-end output, and it works seamless with Versal and Next.js. The limitations on V0 are that it is very niche focused, so highly specialized for front-end UI development, not a general purpose IDE or full stack builder. There's no back-end generation, there's limited customization, and there is no real-time coding collaboration. Now then, finally, Cursor's strengths are the deep AI integration, the code-based understanding, control and customization, and the productivity boost. The limitations on Cursor are that it does require local setup, it is not a deployment platform, there is a steeper learning curve for non-developers, and for the advanced AI features and models, typically they do come with a higher subscription fee. So which one should you pick? I would go with Replit if you are learning to code, teaching programming, or want a collaborative zero setup cloud IDE for general development. Also, if you need to quickly build and deploy full stack applications in various languages with integrated hosting and a database, and if you want real-time collaborative coding. Next, I would go with V0 by Versal if you are a front-end developer working with React and Tailwind CSS and want to drastically speed up UI component generation and prototyping, if you're a designer looking to turn your Figma designs or visual concepts into functional code quickly, and if you're building applications within the Versal or Next.js ecosystem and need to rapidly iterate on the user interface. And finally, I would go with Cursor if you are a professional developer familiar with VS Code and want to integrate advanced AI capabilities directly into your local coding workflow. Also, if you work on large and complex code bases and you need an AI that understands the entire project context for intelligent assistance. And finally, if you desire granular control over AI models, and if you prefer a desktop-based, highly customizable development environment with AI at its core. So that concludes this comparison of Replit versus V0 versus Cursor. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.